The truth about a white lie. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about a very interesting phrase in the English language. A white lie. Have you ever heard someone mention a white lie and wondered what color has to do with honesty? Well, you're not alone. Let's dive into the meaning behind this phrase, why we use it, and how it plays a part in our daily communication. So, let's get started and uncover the truth about white lies. A white lie is a harmless or trivial lie, usually told to avoid hurting someone's feelings or to avoid small problems. The term white is used to denote purity and innocence, suggesting that the lie is not malicious. This concept exists in many cultures because it's a common belief that not all lies are harmful. In fact, sometimes telling the truth can be more hurtful than telling a white lie. We tell white lies for several reasons. Sometimes we want to protect someone's feelings. For instance, if someone asks for your opinion on their new haircut and you don't like it, you might say it looks nice to make them feel better. Other times, we use white lies to avoid unnecessary conflict or to smooth over social situations. It's often seen as a way to maintain harmony in our relationships. To help you understand better, here are some common examples of white lies. Your homemade pie tastes great when you don't actually like it. Telling a child the tooth fairy took their tooth, even though it's apparent. Saying, "I'm fine," when you are having a bad day but don't want to worry the person asking. The ethics of telling a white lie can be complex. On one hand, it's lying, and lying is generally considered wrong. However, white lies are often told with good intentions. The key is to consider the situation and the potential outcomes of telling the truth versus a white lie. It's a personal judgment call that people make based on their values and the context of the situation. Now, let's put our phrase into action. Here are a few sentences where a white lie is used. I told a white lie when I said I liked her singing. I didn't want to discourage her. It was just a white lie to keep the surprise party a secret. Sometimes, a white lie can be kinder than a harsh truth. And that's a wrap on a white lie. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase and how it's used in English. Remember, the intent behind the lie often determines its color. Whether you choose to tell white lies or stick to the absolute truth, it's always good to be mindful of the impact your words have on others. Until next time, keep practicing your English, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye, and take care.